but if I hope none of my listeners are confused that Black Lives Matter, period.
Right.
With that said, a lot of people, because of what's going on with, ethnic racial unrest, a lot of people have been talking about diversity and inclusion in the workplace. And I know you have a long, rich history in that space. And so, can you share for people, the listening audience who might be new to this, what exactly do those words diversity and inclusion really mean?
So, absolutely. I wanted to go a little literal as I was preparing for our conversation. And just by definition, diversity is, according to Webster's dictionary, the condition of having or being composed of differing elements. And inclusion is the act of being included within a group or a structure. So when you think about that, if you transfer that to the workplace, you're thinking about the having diverse perspectives, having diverse beliefs, thoughts, ideas included within the structure of the corporate environment. So, and that would be from the bottom, the front line, the trench workers, as I call them, all the way up to and including executive leadership and even board leadership. So when we think about that from a workplace, it really is embracing all aspects and values and perspectives of what people bring to the table.
I love it. Embracing all aspects and values of what people bring to the table. I love it. So, at first I was going to ask you about the Black Lives Matter movement. And because there's been so much controversy related to that movement,
Mm-hmm.
I don't even want to talk